Hey guys, welcome back to Vfix Technology. Today I brought another package for Bagisto. Yes, I've been working and spending a whole lot of time on Bagisto. It's a great fun. I'm loving this project. Shout out to WebCool team. Thank you so much guys for making such incredible software which helps us and all developers to make our life easy. Cool. So this video is about to creating a new package. Yes, I've been working on multiple gateways lately, and I realized there was one package before PayU money. Technically, it is a global payment gateway. People from India or outside from India could have it. And there was a package before it was open source and free of cost. But as of now, that guy uh, used a subscription based model, and I'm not sure if it's free anymore. Anyway, your brother is here. I coded this and made it open source for everyone, right? So let me tell you how it works, how you can install. If you see, this is the link of the GitHub repository. I want you to install and make sure, give a little star to this repo. It gives me some motivation to help you more. So it's just simple and straightforward. First step, go ahead, composer require. I made the composer package. So composer require Vfix Technology, Bagisto PayU, then add this provider to the providers class. It's in the bootstrap. If you are using Bagisto 2.3, it's supposed to be bootstrap and providers and add the provider like this, right? Third step, add a middleware. Yes, we're supposed to add this, my bad. In the middleware, we're supposed to add an exception of CSRF token. Yes, that's what we want. So if you want to work it properly, you have to exclude this piece of code you can copy, and it's supposed to be in bootstrap and application and put it right here, something like this, right? And it should work fine. So it's gonna make an exception on the token, CSRF token on this request, right? Then clear the configuration. That's pretty much it. Run it. Let me show you how it works. It's just a three-step process. I have installed it. After that, you're gonna go to the configuration, payment methods, and under PayU, you're gonna find this PayU, add the merchant key and sold key, then the status dash sandbox or live, and that's all. Now, once this job is done, you're gonna go to the checkout page. Let's make a transaction to get you a glimpse how it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on continue. Then I'm gonna choose the payment method. It is supposed to be PayU. I'm gonna click on place order. This is just a test environment, ignore that. So it opens up the PayU infrastructure, right? So users could go ahead and make the transaction here. Let me see. PayU test card numbers. I had it, not sure if I lost it. Okay, got it. So if you see that, I'm going to put the card number, the expiration date, and CVV. Let me see, did I make some mistake? Oh, yes, I did. It's going to be 5. Then any name, and it'll ask for an OTP. The payment is India based. They have a three-factor 3D secure kind of verification system. Oh, okay. Once you inject the OTP, it's gonna get you the thank you page and the job is done. Now see that the order has been successfully placed. The job is done. So guys, if I give you any value, I would highly encourage subscribe the channel, rate this, create a star to this GitHub, and make sure allow the notification. I'm gonna keep bringing these type of videos in future as well. Thank you. Bye for now.